Big up anybody want big up now?
Yeah man, big up Junkie. Big up if thiefing boy the way they call.
They call the thiefing boy there.
Hammer.
Where Junkie there?
Hammer! What Junkie there? Big Alright guys, so here I'm in a supermarket now. Boom boom, no know what I'm do now. But me I tell them I go surprise him with a Bailey's rum cream because I know him love rum cream. I say if him dey be early. I know him love rum cream, so I surprise him with a rum cream for him Father's Day, you know what I mean? So yo, watch how I go on. Boom boom, see my people? Yeah, one of these people. Jesus man. So guys, boom boom, I surprise you. Yeah. With a nice little gift. I'm not tell you how I eat it now. No. Go and go take a walk out. Alright. Go and take a walk out, yeah.
5,220.
What? Boy no man, you can't read it. Let me see it. Boom boom, I love that one here. Alright, we want that one here. Yes sir, Bob. So guys, cash out that thing here. The surprise boom boom here. You don't know how I'm gonna John shopping. That's what I'm telling you. Real bastard. So guys, what you are going? See better. Respect. You turn man today. Yeah, respect. Respect. Turn man today. So big up people. Love here. Boom. Alright guys, so this is our receipt. This is around $20 US right now. So this is the order. You know what I mean? So boy, the recession and everything are just part of life. Is it me? Yes sir. So ready for your road. Stock up on the breakfast because you can't touch the road, especially when you go so far and have nothing to eat. So that's the Juicy vibe. So when you come to Jamaica, link up Juicy Beef. You see me I say? Yeah man, outside. Alright ladies and gentlemen, so I got the food. See it here? See it there? Yeah man, this is a product of Juicy Beef. See boom boom yeah? Yeah. Drink some party. Happy Father's Day my boss. Big up yourself. Outside. You know what I mean? So guys, I'm gonna eat some food, consume some food and breakfast and then go up on the road, you know what I mean, and show you what I go on. Boom. You know what I mean? We are move. That makes sense. Well, you have to make it make sense, isn't it? So eat some food. Do the HBO special for you guys and just drop a subscribe and a like. Yeah. Next stop guys, so here with the KFC in Santa Cruz right now. I don't know, a whole heap of way apart, so come like it's gonna be a mukbang. Get me and say so, here with us say ready. So we are going to now and see what go on. I don't know, something about Jamaican KFC, different from KFC at China, Antarctica, America or Canada. I don't know, it just do right. You see me I say? So, dip on the road, food stop, forward, watch what go on.
Cola champagne. So the seller is a wonderful seller.
Yeah.
Good customer service.
Like somebody have got hungry again. I don't know who. So I don't want hot wings box on it.
Hot wings box?
Yeah.
Favorite chicken?
Let's mix up it. Go about mix up.
Okay.
Yeah. We are YouTubers, you miss? You don't mind.
Cola champagne.
Who want Elliot?
Kentucky St. Yeah, you want to pick up anybody? I got nobody, you sure?
Up Jesus, big up God.
Big up your family member then.
It's not joke man,
yeah, that's it.
2014. Yes, 2014.
When I get discount.
Okay, sorry.
Not today? When? Which day?
No dear, no.
No idea? You can't put it on your tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Oh yeah, work again.
Real good customer service right now. So say it's a bossy.
Yes sir, Bob. We're there at the Colonel's shop. Then I think of.
In St. Elizabeth.
Yes, Santa Cruz. And I mean a KFC stop. I saw you going out when they touch Jamaica and we have a beach or river. Boy, the office stop at KFC. I don't know, it just tastes better. Tastes better for them days.
Okay, true. So you want to be no family member? No one to get nobody? Alright, thank you. Here at Tyrone Studio.
Outside.
Yeah.
This jump and I'm clean up here. That's what I tell you.
So you say having food?
Yes, sir.
Alright, go on, what way this is then? Some people are going to enjoy some food right now, yeah? I hold it for my boss, Here you go, my boss. Yeah? I hold it for my boss again. So, people, I leave KFC now, Santa Cruz, you see me? And on! Yo, now walk for me, sir.
Action.
Look a bit, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I go, I walk.
People do the HBO special, yeah? Help our brother out.
Secure over there, sir.
Alright, guys, so this is two of our little wonderful people. Who you want to say hi to? Say hi to somebody. Who you want to say hi to? You say you want to go on YouTube. You're going on YouTube. Who you want to say hi to?
Everybody.
Everybody like who? You're the one who called me now. Who you want to say hi to? Who you want to say hi to?
Big up your school, big up your friend.
Not bigging up anybody?
Big up Sydney and STEM Academy.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah. Black person is not showing
Yeah, man. Black and beautiful. Who you want to be? What's your name? What's your name?
Casey.
Casey? Who you want to shout out? Shout out somebody. Anybody?
Nas.
Nas? Who you want to shout out? Just tell them to subscribe. Just say subscribe. After 2, 1, 2, 3, say subscribe.
Subscribe!
Alright?
Outside.
Tune in tomorrow.
Boom. So, alright, beautiful people. So we are currently at Holland Bamboo. You see me? Holland Bamboo, St. Elizabeth. So look at this sign here. Welcome to Holland Bamboo Scenic Avenue. See the great boom boom, yeah? Where there?
Yeah, we're not there, people.
Where there?
They are, you know, Holland Bamboo.
Outside.
Easy, you see it?
Easy.
Right there. And
Easy.
HBO.
The HBO. So guys, we're there with a little Ella. I see him, I sell him little stuff. So him say him have cane juice. So Ella, can we come and look at your cane juice, sir? Go around. Alright, so we got an opportunity to look at a cane juice and how them do them thing. Is it? Hi, good morning. So guys, this is what? The Holland Bamboo stretch. See it there? Yes man, that's the Holland Bamboo stretch, guys. And along the road you see a lot of produce. I mean these things, mangoes, so on and so forth. So what the I name? What the I name?
Tinza.
Tinza?
Yeah.
I mean Tinza.
Cane juice.
Cane juice is?
Yeah.
I know. You don't know cup in there, can give it 2 cups.
Yeah, man, yeah, cook.
So 1 cup left of the master. So guys, boom boom outside so see the cane juice, yeah? Yeah man. 4 away apart, yeah?
No.
You want to look so?
So guys,
So
where
ladies,
you are?
yeah?
See it there?
Respect.
Outside.
Of the sample.
Some people, Holland Bamboo stuff, isn't it? May I tell you, it's a tour for me. When you go up on the road, we are going to a beautiful scene there, but we have to stop. You see what I say, Ella? We have to stop and support you because that is our energy still.
So Ella, big up anybody want big up now?
Yeah, man. Big up Junkie. Big up. If thiefing boy, the way they call.
You call the TV boy there.
Hammer.
We're junkie.
Hammer! What junkie there? Big up, big up, big up. We up. We up. You see them over there, so them there no peeps. So over there, so. Alright.
I'm a walk and stop with my man. Funny that me know.
Yeah?
I make boost.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Outside.
So, look at more peeps.
Outside. Big up. Big up. Yeah, boy.
I am man over here, name. I name Junkie. I am name Junkie. Big up yourself, Junkie.
Alright,
Here they on YouTube. Big up yourself. Nobody want big up Junkie.
Yeah, man, what about people, man?
What about people?
Yeah, big up our children and the baby mother. She's very important. And you know, father come first. Charlie can't bring guys. The baby mother very important. Yeah, but she bring the life, them man.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yeah, big up my family and a whole.
Alright,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
And yeah, the man them call the Domino man.
Hammer the man.
Hammer the man.
Oh, no, kill it.
Kill it.
Kill every double.
What? Are you to make the Domino them?
Well, me can make a part of them.
Part of them?
Yes.
And you don't make double blank, because the day half. Are the day half that?
Yes, sir.
Here you go, yourself. Oh, watch up the coconut. Yeah?
We got my wife up the yard there looking up things. Me take over the shop here for the day.
Yeah?
Man, I just respect to you guys.
Yes, man.
Big up.
Yes, man. Big up. Hammer.
Every time.
And kill it.
And big friend Barney over there.
Yeah.
Alright, sir.
Alright, come in. Look at people. We have look here.
I can't call the one.
So this is sweet sap.
Sweet sap people. Look here. We have honey here too.
Yes, sir.
I never drink that though. I feel like I want just the jelly itself.
You want that jelly coconut?
Chop the top and me just carry. Come here, thing I do.
So, I'm going to see one now, but I'm going
No, as in I can't come in yard.
Oh, yeah, okay. I think I don't funny.
So the man gonna chop a coconut right now. Hammer gonna chop a coconut for the lady. You understand? So she can bring it home later on.
If you want I to give you a drink of that is no problem, you know, because we are a man out here and we are friendly with everyone.
So you might give a free jelly.
No, the wife will kill me.
Ah!
What in your yard? And you would love that.
No! They will not got nobody to kill the double them. Eh?
Show me your skills. John no star. So the coconut in the hand. Is it? Sure. Yeah, I mean, so she decides to share that one still. Blah 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 blah.
Just try and make
Yeah. How you say? Sweet, yeah? Holland bamboo style.
Popping. 14.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean. So, guys, we'll get this and then push off, yeah?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the YS Falls.
How are you doing?
See it there? See it, so we're there at the YS Falls. Boom boom know the process.
Yeah.
So boom gonna run us through the process.
So we're gonna take a bus go uptown, right? We're the downtown YS Falls now, we're gonna go uptown.
Uptown YS Falls.
Yeah, we're gonna pay a fee. Come here.
Okay, I'm a J.
Hello, good day.
He's doing what? Yeah, it should be at the front that you want to Alright guys, so we're letting you know that the falls water is right now presently brown, and that's due to heavy rain in the hills.
Alright.
One entry in. Make sure you have everything that you need, okay?
One entry in.
Yeah, you cannot get there and come back out.
Yeah.
Leaving, you're leaving, alright?
Okay.
No alcoholic beverages, you can get those to buy out there, no music, no ball games, and no smoking, alright?
Okay.
You're gonna step to the ladies at the desk, step around to the lady in the yellow, get your tickets and enjoy. Yeah. Alright, you and your just come over here. Yeah.
Yeah, 4. Yeah. Yes. So we're here giving up some money right now. So residents.
When you come from Jamaica?
Yeah, residents. You live at Jamaica. You want to show your ID?
Yeah, man. Oh.
Alright.
This is
See? A ticket to take the bus. We're going uptown. Alright. Alright, so
That is it?
that's it. So we have some local gifts here, you know. Look at thing and thing you can buy and them things that people. You remember the postcard them used to get that in Jamaica? Yo, all this time.
Yeah?
Yeah, postcard them.
Outside.
So we have a lot of people that comes here.
Yes, guys, so it's beautiful. So we're gonna take a bus. Put it down. Put it right down. So we're gonna take a bus, guys. This is our ticket. Yes, sir. Yeah. Outside.
Alright. We have a bus. So we'll go with the bus. Bus. Now load up the bus. Load up the bus.
They say uptown.
I'm ready to move.
Uptown.
Uptown and Parade and Jungle. Downtown.
Uptown, my boss.
Yes, sir, Bob.
I go inside.
People up on Pine. Up on Pine. Jesus. Right here.
You can't tell me say I meant it,
Right here. You know? So we are here gonna take the bus up to Uptown, Wyers Falls. See, we're the downtown right now. So we're gonna go uptown. See, we are waiting for the chief. And if the chief make the bus miss way, trust me, I'll beat him up.
Yeah, you want to see yourself tomorrow? Big up yourself, big up somebody that.
Wow, hey.
So guys, here what? We're on the, what you call this, boom boom?
The
carriage.
I carriage to go to Wyers.
And the carriage.
To go uptown Wyers Falls.
To go uptown Wyers Falls. Yes.
Downtown now. Yeah.
Downtown, boom boom, so with it. So,
pass halfway tree first.
yeah, pass halfway tree.
Ladies and gentlemen, bus safe, please.
So guys, we're showing on the journey to go up at the falls. It's a whole thriller experience. I mean, that good prana, good energy. So we're off. Where's that? Boom, 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 boom. This guys, look at that tree, look at that big everlasting tree. They are from the days of Nanny and the days of the Maroons, you know. So these are some heritage sites, guys, and they have to be protected. This one has to be protected. As the man say, yes, and yeah.
So, look at the water. The beautiful water. He wants to come swim in the water. Time, so we're having a lot of rain, so it's kind of look a bit mucky in some sense, you know, brownish from the heavy rains that we've been having in Jamaica, especially from St. Elizabeth. From the other day, a big rain fall in St. I could see it up on my end, you know. Yeah, babes. Feel like good breeze. That piranha like what Tyro done say. For your people. Yeah, half 4 times now. Let me have your son. Up on water, people. Cheese.
Guys, we're there. Boom, boom.
Yeah, I'm here enjoying myself at White's Falls. You know what I'm saying?
Don't know.
Second time around, people. I'm telling you, if you want to come to Jamaica, just come to Jamaica and enjoy some of this facility, you know, just come on Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
You understand? Yo, and if any woman want me, I want to capture them, I'm going to show you later on.
So guys, we're there. Boom boom, when you see water in there, man, you can catch a fire. You can catch a fire, people.
You have to first, though. You have to wash off.
You have to wash it off first. I mean. So guys, we're going to sample water. And then we'll come back, come run some load the game. Trouble there.
And then we'll go by the falls.
Go by the falls. And then
what we do.
Ready.
Yeah.
Ready.
Good to go.
Ready. So beautiful, people. We are heading to the waterfalls now, as you can hear the sound, the rushing sound of the waterfalls, you know. So guys, may I tell you, Jamaica is a beautiful, beautiful thing. My boy, my bro, the zip line. How much you do it?
2.5 the local license.
2.5, okay.
Yeah.
So somebody here.
Yeah,
Alright, somebody here want to get the adrenaline, yeah? Big up. So guys, we get into the falls now. Showing you what go on. Yes, Sir Bob. Yes, Sir Bob. See, generally, I know, man. Outside.
Right here.
Outside. Woo! Ready. Yeah, guys, we have vlog. See me?
See there.
You want to vlog me?
Yo. Anyway,
The people, we're there. Boom, boom, and get piece of action. We are go up top there. We are go up top. We are go up top. Up top. Up, 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 up. People, sweet. Let me say, sweet. Let me say, ready. No, 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 no. Ready. No, 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 no. Outside my country. Watch him. Yeah, guys, this is it. Huh? Yes, sir?
Yeah.
So, guys, great, legendary. Boom, boom. So, I'm going to take on a jump. Me na jump. Why you man jump? Yeah. Yeah, jump. Boom. You didn't even make me catch you. Go on again. Go on again. Go on again. Go on again. Because me just a cross. People. Look there. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Go the boom boom. For the people, Jamaica, nice. No? Actually, I will for rain cause, you know. When rain fall, you get deep, you know. Boom boom, you ready? Lord! Yeah, man. We catch you for the vlog, my boss. Catch you for the vlog. Outside. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe for that one. Yeah, have to subscribe for that one. There. Do the HBO. Boom, boom. Tell them do the HBO first. Hold on. Tell them do the HBO now.
Yo, do the HBO. Say it. Boom, boom.
HBO.
HBO. Boom, boom, say it, yeah? Boom.
So boom, boom. What you say?
Yo.
Why?
This is for my African people, them. Now I tell you the thank you for letting me survive here. Yo.
Alright guys, so we are leaving the falls, going back down to the pool. Yeah man, see the star there? Outside. You see, so guys, may I tell you, beautiful Jamaica. Beautiful, beautiful. Anybody want to sponsor me a GoPro? Let me know, yeah? So we can show you how under the water look and a bag of things. You see me, so? Yeah, go downstairs. Alright ladies and gentlemen, this is it. So I wanna say a what? Big thank you for watching. Thank you very much for supporting the channel and blessing Boom Boom.
Yeah.
You get me I say?
Yeah, one more thing, you never get a word for the day.
Yes guys. Here what? The word for the day comes from the proverb. It said, trust in the Lord with all of thine heart and lead not unto thine own understanding, but acknowledge him in all your ways, because the wisdom of God is always right and his knowledge is always everlasting. You know what I say? Yeah man, so blessing up. Boom Boom always remind me, sometimes I get caught up, you know what I mean, and I do a lot of things. So here we guys, one don't forget from Jamaica, be sure to tune in, to stay tuned, all of the above. We love you guys and we love bringing this content to you about Jamaica, little hits and bits. So
Hidden beauty.
yeah man, hidden beauty. As I say, so big up on yourself. One love.